Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. I'm Gina, a new Nigerian YouTuber based in Nairobi. I currently relocated with my family earlier this year from Lagos, Nigeria, and so far Nairobi has been great. I'm a mother of two and you guys will get to see them around this channel. So guys, I'm super excited. As you can see from the caption, this is my very first YouTube video and I'm super excited because I've always wanted to start up my channel for so long, but I kept procrastinating. Today I'll say tomorrow I'll say next, and I'm happy that I'm able to overcome procrastination and here I am recording my very first video. I'm super excited. So guys, this channel is basically going to be about things I love and I'm passionate about. It's going to be about entertainment, lifestyle, personal and travel vlogs, tutorials. I will be teaching a lot of things on this channel. Storytelling. I have a lot of stories to share. I have a lot of stories to share with you guys. And just about trending topics, and I'm super excited to take you through this life journey, and I'm very much optimistic about what great future this channel holds for you and I. So guys, if you're happy for me, if you're excited like I am, please subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to put on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I post a video. I'm always going to give my opinion about life challenges and situations, and I'm also open to your own opinion, so let's interact. So guys, I'm very much relatable and I promise you a good time on this channel. So please, if you've watched this video up to this point, I appreciate. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so as to encourage me to do more. It's not easy. So guys, I'm super excited, and also I hope you like and share and subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your notification bell. Also tell a friend. Bye.